Python variables and constants.
In this session, we are discussing and demonstrating how to define constants and variables. So constants in Python can be defined. It is our common practice to write all the constant name all in the capital letters. So pi is equal to 3.14, gravity is equal to 9.8. In this way, the constants can be defined in our Python. And now we are going to define that how the variables can be defined and how to declare variable, how to assign values on them. So a is equal to apple. So now a is a variable, as the apple is of the type text or string. So a will be of the type string here. So print a. So a will get printed. So now let me go for the execution. This line has got no print, so that's why the no outcome is there. So let me go for the print. If you go for this print pi, we are getting this one as 3.14. Now for this part, if I go for the execution, it will come like this. So a is equal to apple, so print a. So it is printing apple here. Changing the value of a variable, so that can be done using reassignment. So a is equal to aeroplane. So now if you type this one and then print a, it is printing the respective string. So next time I'm printing, I'm just assigning 100 to a. So now if we print a, then it is getting the value 100. So you can find that the same variable sometimes may be initialized with the string, sometimes with the integer, and that is allowed in Python because in case of Python is a dynamic type language. That means the variable's data type will be decided during the runtime. So during the runtime, whatever the value the variable is containing, that will decide the data type of the variable. And in case of Python, there is no need to declare the variable separately at the beginning of the code. We can define variable as when we require to use them. And he can find that here this a is equal to aeroplane. So that means the a has got the data type string. And the next part of the code, the a will be treated as a string until and unless it is getting initialized with some other data type value. So here we have written a is equal to 100. So in the next part of the code, a will be treated as of the type integer until and unless a is getting initialized with some other type of values. Assigning multiple values to a variable. So b, c, d, all these three variables are getting assigned with this 1, 2.5 and hello respectively in a same single line. So this 1 will be assigned to b, 2.5 will be assigned to c, and hello will be assigned to d. So when you are printing b, c and d, we are getting the outcome as 1, 2.5 and hello. Next one is that assigning the same value to multiple variables using a same statement in the same line, So b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to 5. That means the 5 is getting assigned to b, c and d both at the same time in a single statement, single assignment statement. So 555 is going to get printed here. So in this example and demonstration, we have discussed that how to define constants and how to define variables and how to assign values on them. Thanks for watching this video.